Nikurumirira ndugamano iri ikoretwo ho gwa kahinda University ya Nairobi kuracungiriirie Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed gucagura nini ya rugamiriri University ino ituro-ini cia kigina uthii wa na mbere ubangi wa maundu ma University na githomo wa murani uria uhimbiirio ni ngwataniro ya arutwo.
To agree with the CS Ambassador Amina Mohamed on the appointments that she made concerning the DVCs of this great university. We wish to state that the wrangles that we are witnessing from the council, the university council, that they are rejecting this list. We wish to state that they made recommendations to the CS. It did not mean that the CS had to go with the recommendations that they made. The CS, in her own wisdom, chose those people that she believed are the best to lead this university.
Aria maamurirwo ituro-ini icio ni Professor Juma Mohamud, gituro-ini gia kigina guku nake Professor Lydia Jega akirugamirira uthuthuria na githomo. Arutwo guku makiuga ati wamurani ucio ni wonanitie gutia watho wa maiganania wa igari ithatu wa hura wa gatiba ya bururi.
Complied with the 2/3 gender rule. The Constitution stipulates that any appointment in the public office must follow the gender rule. If the dissenting voices, or what the dissenting voices wanted was to be followed, then the 2/3 gender rule could have not been achieved.
Gukire uguo arutwo yani maikitie mukana kuri urugamiriri wa thukuru kuhe kanya arugamiriri aya ga gutungatira arutwo hatari guthutukania na wona kwaga uguo ni magutabania mururungano nginyagia wabici-ini cia githomo.
Students, we believe that the new appointed DVC should be given chance to carry out their new duties and discharge their mandate. This will help in successfully maintaining the stability of the institution that we have been trying so hard to maintain. We are saying 2 hours, and let it not be taken as a joke. We are doing more as we can to maintain the stability. But if they will take us for granted, it will not be governable. It will be messy, and I said it will be airy too. And it will be very noisy with lots of casualties.
Ndugamano cia urugamiriri wa university no cikoretwo ho gwa kahinda karaya muno na kuria ciacungiriirie igoti inene gutianiria uamurani wa nini arugamiriri uria watabanirio ni uria wari Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i mwaka-ini wa 2016. Ngiribotera mohoro ma Njata TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mike Kamau.